Okay, so what is Android Studio? It is basically an IDE, which means an integrated development environment for applications, kind of similar to Eclipse. It comes in with the ADT plugin, which is the Android Development Tools plugin. Uh, it's based on the IntelliJ IDEA IDE, pretty much. That is the so all the functions that you get in IntelliJ, you should be able to get access to them in Android Studio. So it's also has a Gradle-based build support. It has specific refactoring and quick fixes. For example, you can have quick imports, which you can set by going to Preferences here and Editor, Auto Import, and here Optimize Imports on the Fly. You need to check those in order to have auto imports on the fly happen in your development. So it has ProGuard and app signing capabilities and installed in it. So Android Studio is currently available as a early access preview, you can say, because it's stable. You can still use it, but it's still in beta tests. If you can see the apps, whenever you create a new project, your projects always have extra folders here, and it can be a little confusing to get where your code will be located. So in this case, it will be inside of the app and source, Java, main, Java, and then you should see your package name, and then your files where you can start coding. So this extra files, this extra folders, the Android Studio developers say there are for special technology that they're going to be integrating into Android that is yet to come. So it shouldn't be a problem, it shouldn't bother you right now. But Android Studio, as soon as you do this and you'll set it up, everything should be working fine with you. So you can also change the theme in Android Studio by going to Preferences, back again, this Preferences place, and then Colors and Font. So make sure Colors and Font Darkular is is the theme that I'm using. You can switch back to the default theme, which will be the white theme, as you can see. But I prefer Darkular because it kind of highlights my code better, like that. So that's pretty much what you would need to know about it. So here's where to get it. Android Studio, you can download Android Studio by visiting developers.android.com, or you can just Google Android Studio download, and you should be able to get access to this download link. And then you have options where you can install it via instead of installing it just directly, you can install it using the command line. So they have the information set up for you as well. So in the next tutorial, I'll be showing you another tool that we'll be using, which is called Genymotion, which is this tool right here, which is a very handy tool. It's a virtual machine, and it will be using it to deploy our apps. So see you in the next video.